If you feel lost right now, if you're wandering through questions with no clear answers, if you're standing at a crossroads, not knowing which way to go, you're not broken. You're not late. You're simply human. And in moments like these, few voices echo more deeply than Rumi. Try not to resist the changes that come your way. Instead, let life live through you. Life doesn't always go according to plan. And maybe it's not supposed to. Rumi reminds us that what feels like falling apart might actually be falling into place. Don't grieve. Anything you lose comes round in another form. The relationship that ended. The opportunity that slipped through your hands. The version of yourself that no longer fits. Let it go. Let it become something new. Loss is not always the end, sometimes, it's the beginning of becoming. As you start to walk on the way appears. Clarity doesn't come before the journey. It comes during it. You don't need all the answers to take the next step. You just need to move. Be like a tree and let the dead leaves drop. There's no growth without shedding. No becoming without release. Whatever you're clinging to, guilt, regret, expectations, it's okay to lay it down now. It's okay to stop carrying things that no longer serve your path. The wound is the place where the light enters you. You may not like where you are right now. But this very pain, this confusion, is opening something in you. The light doesn't wait for perfect conditions to arrive. It enters right through the crack. Why do you stay in prison when the door is so wide open? You're not as stuck as you think. Often, the bars we feel are made of old fears, old stories, old labels. But the truth is, you are not who you were. You're allowed to change. You are allowed to evolve. You're allowed to walk away from the roles that no longer fit. Respond to every call that excites your spirit. Not everything that calls you will make sense on paper. It may not be safe, expected, or practical. But if it stirs something deep within, listen. That quiet spark might just be your direction whispering. Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. The mind wants a map. But the soul, it follows magnets. Rumi's wisdom is a reminder, don't chase someone else's dream. Don't measure your life by someone else's milestones. Follow the strange pull. The quiet longing. The thing you can't explain, but can't ignore. You were born with wings, why prefer to crawl through life? You are not here to live in fear. You are not here to shrink yourself to fit someone else's story. Even if you've forgotten your power, even if you've dimmed your light, it is still within you. You are not lost. You are simply being called to remember. When the soul lies down in that grass, the world is too full to talk about. There is a peace that doesn't come from fixing things. It comes from finally resting in the truth of who you are. Not performing. Not achieving. Just being. The moment you accept what troubles you've been given, the door will open. We wait for the storm to pass, but sometimes the storm is the teacher. What if this moment of uncertainty is the invitation you've been avoiding? To pause. To listen. To begin again, on your own terms. Don't get lost in your pain, know that one day your pain will become your cure. One day you'll look back and realize. This confusion taught you clarity. This grief opened your heart. This emptiness made room for something truer. You are not falling behind. You are unfolding. You were born with greatness. You were born with wings. You are not meant for crawling, so don't. If you're feeling lost, don't rush to fix it. Don't numb it. Don't run from it. Let it soften you. Let it shape you. Let it guide you inward. Sometimes, being lost is not the problem. It's the path.